Good morning, Miss Mohanty. How are you today?
I am well, thank you for asking. It is a busy time trying to prepare for Sustainability Week.
Yes, this is an exciting new program. It should be a fun week for our middle school students.
I am looking forward to Sustainability Week too. However, I really need your help with the project.
I would be happy to assist you. What kind of project is it?
The theme for Sustainability Week in my 8th grade class is creating community, reweaving the thread of existence.
Does this have something to do with bees and a sustainable ecology? I think I've heard something about the district's planned projects.
My students will be investigating what someone would need to do to set up a beekeeping area. You may be familiar with the problem of disappearing honey and wild bees and colony collapse disorder. This is really becoming a major ecological problem not just in the United States but at a global level.
Yes, I have read some disturbing research about this problem. Right now, scientists really seem to have no solutions.
I think the students will find this project interesting if they can learn how to research relevant information. At the middle school level, we are going beyond researching why honeybees are disappearing. The middle school teachers are promoting how we as individuals can contribute towards a sustainable ecology. In moving beyond colony collapse disorder, we want our middle schoolers to learn how to set up honeybee hives. This will include determining what equipment is necessary, where the hives need to be located, and how to start the colony with queen bees. They will be developing a plan for building a bee colony, outlining a budget, and identifying a supply list for getting started.
Let me make sure I understand what you need. You want some type of tutorial that shows your students how to research being a beekeeper. You also want students to research the costs involved in terms of equipment and supplies, develop a budget, and essentially a shopping list for getting started. Do you have a preference in terms of the media? Should this be a video of some type?
I would like a 4 to 5 minute video tutorial that defines the problem for students and then demonstrates how to locate resources for planning a beekeeping area. Students should be able to outline a list of supplies needed and locate a good source for these supplies not necessarily based on cost but on locating quality materials. They should also be able to determine how to build a successful colony from several queen bees. The final task will be for students to write a plan that spells out, in addition to supplies and a budget, how they would determine a location for the colony and to define the work necessary to establish it that first year.
That sounds like a really fun project. I am seeing the finished product as a screen capture of my search process, based on well-defined research statements, to produce the results that you want students to find. They should be able to replicate this process with their own database searches after watching the tutorial. Am I understanding the project correctly?
Yes, I think you are on the right track. The problem needs to be defined quickly and specifically so the students stay motivated to do their own research. They have some database search experience, but they will need some guidance on searching so they can duplicate it on their own and produce similar results.
I will enjoy working with you, Miss Mohanty, to produce a useful and important tutorial to guide the students' work during Sustainability Week. I'll get started now.